This form we use to input information in regards to all our grantees and vendors into our accounting system. So you need to complete this form with the same information that you have on your tax return that you filed to the IRS. So on line 1, for individuals and sole proprietors, you'll put your individual name on line 1. If you have created a doing business as name for your business, you'll put that name on line 2. For other organizations, if you're C Corp, S Corp, partnership, trust, estate, or LLC, that's a LLC, that's a corporation, S Corp, or partnership, you'll put your name on line 1 as it appears on your tax return. If you have multiple businesses and you're completing this W-9 for one of the business that LISC will be paying, you'll put that business name on line 2. For single member LLCs, you can either put your individual name on line 1 or your business name on line 1. If, as a single member LLC, you use an individual name on line 1, in part 1, you will need to put your social security number. If you use your business name as a single member LLC on line 1, please only put your tax ID number in part 1. For all other organizations, you will only need to complete your employee identification number in part 1. You cannot put both a social security number and an employee identification number. It's either or. Also, if you're a nonprofit, you'll check other, and you'll either put whether you're a 501c3, 501c4, whatever type of 501c organization you are, you fill that in here. If you're a nonprofit, you'd also need to give us your tax determination letter that you received from the IRS. Please complete your current business address, fill out the street, state, city, and zip code. And you will need also to sign the form and date the form. We cannot accept any W-9s that are not signed or dated. So all the information needs to be correct on this form for us to accept the form. And I advise you, if you have a tax accountant and you need assistance, please consult with your tax accountant. Also, page 3 of the form has instructions as to the business types, what you need to check. You should look to page 3 for specific instructions on completing the form.
Additionally, we are using the latest version from the IRS, which is the October 2018, which can be seen on the top left of the form. We are unable to accept older versions of the form at this time.
LISC is asking all our vendors and grantees to also complete a direct deposit authorization form. In this environment that we're currently in, we are making payments via ACH, which is a faster method of payment. Once you've completed the process and we've run our verifications, once we send payment to you via ACH, it takes 2 to 3 business days to hit your bank account. So on the form, we need you to complete your bank name and the address and branch information for your bank, which can be found on your bank statement. You also need to check off the box on the left corner that you authorize us to make ACH credits to your account. Please also complete the information for your business account, which is the ABA, the routing ABA number, which is a 9-digit number. It's nothing less than 9 and nothing more than 9 digits. It's a 9-digit number. You also put in your account number and the name of your bank account, and also complete with an email address that we can send payment notifications to. We also require you to send us a void or cancel check to verify the information you have completed for your account information. If you don't have either a void or cancel check, you can get a letter from your bank, which will have your bank information and the routing number already completed from the bank. So that's additional verification for us that the information that you're sending us on this form is correct. Please sign, print your name, give your title and date on the form. Once you receive this document, we do a pre-note testing of your bank account where we send your bank account information and routing number and bank account name to our bank to verify that your account does exist. That process is a free business date process. Once we do this pre-note test to your account, you might see a 0 cent payment from us into your account. That's just a testing that we did to verify that your banking information is correct. So after we have verified your bank information and we initiate payment to your bank account, the process for that usually takes about 2 business days for the monies to hit your bank account. You need to let us know which LISC office you're dealing with and the person at the LISC office that you're also dealing with, and also in the subject matter, if this is a special program, LISC program, include that in the subject matter so that we can inform that person within LISC that you've submitted your materials to us. It will take away from any time in terms of processing any payments to you, that we have all the information that we need to make this process work.